Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search Swiss cursors and press enter. Select the first link and you just need to scroll down and select the download option next to the icon you want. I'm gonna do it for this icon. Select the download option and select the complete pack option and it will be downloaded zip file. Select the folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, just to close tab here and go to search menu and type mouse settings. Click on open it. Select the additional mouse settings. Go to pointers tab. Under customize, select normal select over here and select browse option. And now you just need to go to downloads and double click on the folder and select the normal icon and select open and select apply. And now you just need to scroll down and click on link select and select browse option. Now you just need to select the icon with the action and select open option and select apply and okay for save changes. And now I'm gonna show you guys like this. So you can see when I drag to any select and it will be shown like that. The cursor will be show the second image you selected and that's how you can change your mouse cursor in Windows 11 guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.